Hey YouTube world, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage, and behind me I have our 2024 Suzuki GSX-8R, and in this video I'm going to cover our total crash protection pack for the GSX-8R. Now these total crash protection packs have become a staple for us. They are hugely popular, and there's a very simple reason why. They are aimed at being a one-stop shopping experience for your crash protection needs, and you get them all at a 10% savings. So you can bundle items together. They are selectable, like our bar ends, spool sliders, fork sliders, and frame sliders. In some cases, we also have a level 2 crash protection pack that you can have the ability to add in an engine slider or an axle block protector or even case savers. Every bike does vary, so be sure to check out our website for more details. Now, before I begin, I do want to highlight that every crash is different. No two crashes are the same. All crash protection at its core is designed to help minimize the damage taken on in the event of a crash. If you do want to be protected and you want to be able to possibly get up and ride away or get your bike into a safe location, crash protection components like these can be crucial for that goal. So starting with our bar ends, these are the WCH Bar Ends, and as you can see on our bike, we actually have aftermarket clip-ons installed, but I did want to show you what the bar ends would look like on the OEM GSX-8R clip-on. Now, as you can see here, it mounts right into the threaded insert that is located on the OEM clip-on, and in this case, we do have a red ring assembled onto the bar end. By default, on our website, you will be able to select options. So if you want a very uniform color scheme, you can go with the black rings. If you want something with a little more contrast, but nothing too flashy, we have silver. And if you are the type that does like trying to color match your bike or just likes a little flare, we do have other color options available like red, blue, and gold. Now going on from there, we do have the WCH spool sliders and spools. Now spool sliders are a CNC machine Delrin piece. They are designed to be not only a lift point, but to provide some additional crash protection in the event of a crash. They have a larger surface area, and Delrin is a high absorption, high impact plastic that is designed to take the brunt of the force. Going on from there, we do have the WCH fork sliders. And as you can see here, the CNC machined Delrin end caps are shaped in a conical way to help slide in the event of a crash. Now, these fork sliders are designed to help protect your crucial braking components and some of your wheel components. We have found situations in a crash where your wheel is sliding, and having flat surfaces can cause it to snag and create some additional force. Having a conical shape like this does help it to simply roll along or slide on the surface as opposed to getting caught and then potentially causing more damage. Now we are going to focus on our newly released TST 2-point no-cut frame sliders for the GSX-8R. Now as you can see here and installed on the bike, they are a very sleek look. No modifications are needed. It's actually a very simple installation process. And I should mention, we do have installation videos for all of these individual components, which can be found in the product pages and on our YouTube channel. But our frame sliders are a newly released kit, highly anticipated because the GSX-8S is naked and the GSX-8R has fairings. We had to redesign them. So they do feature laser cut steel and powder coated black adapter plates that will mount to your frame. And then we feature our CNC machined aluminum and anodized black mounting plates that will mount to the adapter plates, and then of course the Delrin end caps to provide the actual crash protection. And again, these are another design. They are not completely flat. As you can see here, they sit off at an angle, and that is to provide a little bit of slide force in the event of a crash. And now going on from there and returning to our center here, we do have our TST water pump cover. This is designed to protect that water pump cover on the right-hand side of the bike, and this is a Delrin machined piece as well. All of these components are made of Delrin, and they are consumable. And if you do find yourself in a situation where your wheels left the ground and your fairings met it, well, we do have replacement products available and some replacement components for some of these items as well. So if you found this video helpful, you really like what we're offering here, you want to see more, be sure to stop by our website, tstindustries.com. The link to this crash protection pack can be found in the description below. And I should mention, all of the components here are included with the exception of our water pump cover. If you want to add in that water pump cover, you can do so during your shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, you want to see more or stay up to date with any new content we've got going on, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn notification bell on, And hey, it doesn't hurt. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. And lastly, be sure to stop by our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all username TST Industries. For now, this has been Mark in the TST Garage, and we'll catch you next time. Ride safe.